I just wanted to show you guys real quick the progress I'm making on the drop axle assembly. I finally bolted this one on right here. I bolted it, so yeah, it's pretty good. Yep, so I'm happy with it. And then I'm getting ready to do this one. So, yep, stay tuned, keep watching. Check this out, guys. I finally found the metal that I had laying over in my scrap pile over there for reinforcing the drop axles. So you can tell me if you think that's going to be enough reinforcement. I already know it's going to be enough, but yeah, if you want to comment down in the comment section below, I'm gonna stick weld this all the way down both sides. I may only stitch weld it, that way it'll allow for a little bit more flex. I don't know yet, guys. And there's the other one right there for the other side. I gotta trim them both. They're both a little hair too long, so yeah, we'll do that. And then I need to go down to Interwest Metals, and if you can tell, there used to be something right here welded straight across to the other side. I'm gonna get a big fat C channel about this big, because that's what's on the drop axles at work, is a big C channel that's about 4.5, 5 inches wide. And then I'll either bolt it or I'll bolt it, or I don't know yet, or weld it. I'll probably end up bolting it. That way it'd just be easier to get off and replace if it gets bent, because that's a really prime spot for dump trucking stuff to hit and bend and break stuff. Because I mean, obviously, look, the other one broke off, so yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna finish tightening down this one right here. Air compressor finally shut off, so you guys can watch that if you want. Stick around and watch that. There we go, guys. Yeah. Both drop axles are almost completely rebuilt. Well, both sides of one drop axle, I mean. You know what I meant. Shut up. Just hit the like button. Or don't hit it, just pound it. Pound that like button. Pound the subscribe button. And as you guys can see, I did a pretty good job at straightening up those drop axles. I'm proud of myself. But yeah. One dude was hating in the comments section, said his stressing is gonna re-break. Well, I doubt it's gonna re-break with that reinforcement I got right there welded onto it. It may bend, it ain't gonna crack like it was before. There's no way. No way, dude. No way, dude. Anyways, maybe it will. I mean, maybe I fall off a cliff, then it'll bend or break, but hopefully that never happens. So anyways, I'm rambling.